Hi, it's Kava, and today I have a ketubah to show you. The ketubah is the marriage certificate or document, and this one is suitable for framing. It's 12.5 inches wide and approximately 18 inches long, and it features vibrant blues and golds, birds at the top. On the one side we have the wording in English and the appropriate spaces to be filled in by the rabbi, and on the other side we have the Hebrew, again with the spacing to be filled in with the information from the rabbi. This ketubah and others are available at Aharon's Jewish Books in Judaica in the Mahi city of Denver, or please check our drop-down menu for ordering information.